Hey, alright guys. It's down here at this river. What's this river? Heading upstream. I'll see how we go. Probably going to start off flicking spinners. If that doesn't work, we'll go off to hard bodies. Yeah, stick around. We'll see how we go. Cheers. See the crow just sitting there. Around about there. Spiny crow. The old pot. See that fish, guys? Did you see that? Just spooked one out of there. Come on, surely there's one in there. You know, where you think they are, they're not. And where you think they're not, they are. Not always, but sometimes. And it's bloody frustrating. Sometimes what you think is going to work isn't going to work. Sometimes what you think won't work will work. It's just, that's fishing. That's the only explanation I have for it. That's fishing. Send one up there, Ad. Oh, he's got him. He's got him. Too good. Little fella. Little brownie. Look at that. What's going on there? That'll do. When you can't get your net off, you just grab the fish and put it in the net. That'll do, guys. That'll do. This spot looks cracker. Oh, whoa. Big old roo, wallaby. Didn't quite make it. His head's buried. Oh yeah. Hectic. That's nature. Yes, 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 yes! Oh, too good, too good! Oh, he's a fighter, he's a fighter! Rainbow, eh? You see, yep, rainbow. Beautiful. Got him. No, little rainbow. Look at the golden, oh, cracking colours. Awesome. Off he goes. Under the tree. No, I think he went down. That's alright. Just got onto this little fella. Unfortunately, I just turned the camera off. I thought, oh, I'll have a cast. And boom, that'd be right. That'd be right. Just get him quickly released. Oh. You're right. Hey, little fella. Little slippery sucker. Ah, awesome.
Cute.
Done it slowly. Awesome little side hole. Bit higher. Nice. Nice, Eddie. Oh, yeah. He's got him. He's got him. Oh, he snagged me. He's under there. I'm on him. I've still got him. Still got him, but he snagged me in here. Whoa, whoa, man. Talk about balls deep. I can feel the fish slapping on my feet. It's here, Adam. It's here. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Don't net me nuts. Don't net me nuts.
Where is he? Under the He's gone on the rock. Can we get him back up and around or not?
All right, all right, all right. Let's see what we can do here. Time to get my arm wet. That's all right.
Yeah, on the net.
I feel him. I feel him. I've got him. Oh, he's a good size too. Oh, wow. Oh, oh, yep.
Yeah, I've got the net. Open your bail on him.
Oh, grab my rod. Grab my rod. Grab my rod.
Yep.
Wow, guys. OMG. We've got water coming in too.
Unhook your lure from your clip. All together from the clip.
You're off here? Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Where's your lure? Give me your lure.
He's still in there.
Oh, you already took it off.
Yeah. Got water coming in the seams. I must have hit it on a stick here. Oh, now I'm definitely balls deep in water. Yeah, I thought I seen that too. Right under the log, yeah? Wow, 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 wow. That hit hard, man, like a freight train. Awesome. Nice size. Too good. Yes, yes. Whoa! Whoa! What a biggie! Oh, nice rainbow, nice! Awesome! Yeah, I'm right. Thanks, brother. Nah, rainbow. Awesome. Yeah, big pink mark on him too, man. Awesome.